Like pa more. Okay, so Jewels of Gina, like pa more, and comment and subscribe. And today we will talk about aging with dignity or with regret. So for all of us, all the people, dignity is one very important, um, may I say, idea or situation or status that we are hoping that we have in our mind, in our life. So, what more is more important for us is to have or to age with dignity or with respect. How do we do that? Number one, the most important thing is your health. Protect your health, guard your health as if it is gold. So, to have a life with dignity as you age, you need to be strong. You need to be, I do not say, even though it's not that strong, but at least you are healthy enough to stand alone, to do your personal needs without any assistance or very minimal assistance with your caregiver. So, how do we do that? Of course, when you are young, you take care of your nutrition, of the food that you eat. You eat clean and you eat well. So when you eat clean and you eat well, then you have a better choice to become healthy when you age. So, health is wealth is very true. Number two, what's number two? Number two is cut off someone who disrespect you, toxic, disrupt your balance. Life is too short. Do not please everyone. So number two, when we were young, really sometimes we cannot really choose whoever is at work with us, whoever is with us in a classroom when we study. But now that we are nearing the age of 50 or 60, we have a choice. Remove the toxic people in your life. This causes stress also. And stress, we all know, is also a cause for some of the diseases that we encounter or we experience. Next, number three, stop overspending, of course. Do not just splurge. Like for example, you have cash out and of course we need to help other people also, but you need to have an extra for yourself. Number four, learn to say no without explaining yourself. Gone are the days that we say no and try to be guilty and try to explain. We have a little guilt. So someone is inviting you, you don't really feel going there. You are tired and it seems that they are not really that close to you. Let's just say you don't enjoy the company. So don't drag yourself. Don't ever say yes if you really mean to say no. Now that we age, we really need to set the boundary. Don't always please and no guilt feelings. You don't need to explain if you say no. If you don't go, then don't go. Okay? Number five is stay away from the drama. From all the years that we have spent here on earth, so we know there are lots of drama, there are lots of misfortunes, there are lots of different things that may happen. But for your own peace, for your own happiness, for your own choice to be okay or to be at peace with yourself, then you know there are people when they talk full of drama, full of negativity. So stay away from those people because it may drag you down. It may also influence you to think that way. Next is, keep your circle smaller. Quality is better than quantity. So if you just choose the best, the quality people where you spend your time, then you will be enjoying the time with them. So you do not depend on the people who really don't care about you. You don't need to insist to be with a group of people who don't appreciate you, don't value you. Next, build a life that can stand alone. So, a simple life, a life that you know can can be can be live in your budget, within the limits of your budget, then plan it so that there will be no stressors like you are running out of cash, etc., etc. Have your own money and protect the money well. So at age 50 and 60, it does not give you, it will not be a wise decision to be investing in some high yield interest, because we all know that if the interest is very high, then the risk is also very high. And if it's too good to be true, they will promise you that you will earn 50% within 1 month, 50% of what you have invested in only 1 month. It's too good to be true, then it's a scam. Don't believe it. So, the great humiliation of all age is asking help. Not every opinion need your reaction. Don't ever ask. We don't need to ask for help. We need to be independent. So guys, maraming salamat. Shukran. Arigato gozaimasu. Gracias. Agyaman apo. Daghang salamat. Everyone, thank you very much for being with us. I know that we all are in our journey in life, and here at Jewels of Gina, we'll talk about it, and we become honest, we become open, we become free to discuss everything. And this is Jewels of Gina saying, habang tumatanda, lalong gumaganda. Stay young, stay beautiful, age beautifully, healthy aging. God bless.